Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys mobile data problem, how to solve in Tecno phone. Guys you have guys your mobile data problem and guys you want to solve in your Tecno mobile. So guys how can I solve it in this video friends? I will show you guys. So first of all guys open your phone setting to solve guys your mobile data problem. Guys scroll it. Friends you can see guys your system setting, friends tap here guys, click on guys your reset option and guys click on guys your reset setting, and guys you can see mobile data. So we will tap here to reset, means please wait here, and guys you can see setting has been reset, means guys your network problem has solved. And after that guys you have any problem, so I don't operate your phone guys off your screen, and guys then guys again on your phone, and guys clean your phone first of all. After that guys you have any problem in your mobile data network, so guys don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys and me on comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends, thanks for watching. Before going please go and like the video. Bye.